All right, another update here. In the last video, I did the roughing, and it had lifted up off the table in a couple spots. So I went ahead and flipped the whole tool over, the whole mold, and flattened the back again, which basically relieved it of all the internal stress. And I figure while it's upside down, why don't I go ahead and just build the strong back right here on it. That way I don't have to flip it anymore once I flip it one more time. So that's what you're seeing here. It's Baltic birch ply, and it's 5-inch wide straight edge, and I'm just building the best support I can get. Basically, I want this thing to hold flat. Although I don't expect it to move. Even if I didn't put this on and flipped it and machined it, it probably wouldn't move much because of the process of flipping it over and machining both sides. So you can see I have the boards are running out past the edges is because there's still a 6-inch block that gets machined and glues on there, and that holds the mandrel for the joiner boxes. It positions the joiner boxes and the alignment pins for the wingtips to plug on. So basically I just map this whole thing out and then just glue it. It's not perfect. Some parts of this build are going to take a lot of time to make really, really right and really accurate. This is not one of them. This just needs to get glued on there. It's screwed together, and it just holds the mold flat and elevates it off the table. This mold never gets flipped or anything. It stays on the table all the time. And the other tool is the one that gets flipped, which is the upper. So got this finished. Tomorrow morning I'll flip this over and do the finishing on the other side, and then I can set this aside and start the other one. I did get the glue up done on the other one, so it's ready to go. You can see it over there in the background. So that will be cured tomorrow as well. And yeah, this one will follow suit. I'll go ahead and do the roughing straight away on this one before I flip it and do the back, just to save me a step.